Hi everyone, it's Deb. Welcome to the Stuff It Bags, Purses, and Boxes collaboration, which is hosted by Poetspice, who is Jamie here on YouTube. And there are lots of other ones of us, so I'll have all the links below the video. Please be sure to go check them out as well. So this month I did not use dies. I decided I have two of them actually, shoe boxes, the plastic shoe boxes, full of various gift sack, paper bags, little bags, yeah. So what I did, I went looking, I have done these before, but it's been a while. So I went looking for some ideas to do something different. So I found Craft Purge from 2000, I don't remember, I think it was like 17 or something. Anyway, she had done some, she called it a loaded bag flip because it has a thing in the back added on that you can flip open, but it also serves to help stabilize the bag and let it stand up like that. Now also what I'm using, since I started to show you that, is I am using this Fine and Dandy. And by the time this airs, you will have seen, hopefully, my Craft Art Paper Stash cards. I use this also for them. This is my hashtag Use It Up 2020 item that I want to use up. And I'm down to 1 full sheet and 5, like, 2/3 sheets or something out of, I think there were 12 in here. So I'm doing pretty good with it, I think. So anyway, I used up all of this bee paper, and this is the flip side of the bee paper. So, you know, part of it was the flap back here and this layer. This is one of the cut aparts out of another paper in that pad. This was another piece of the bee paper, and I just made it into a tag or a bookmark or something. I might make that longer, but at that time I didn't want the ribbon to be longer. I used up entirely, between this and something else I'll show you in a minute, that sticker pack from Martha Stewart, which was on my use it up list with this as well. So I finished that up here, and here, and I'll show you, and here, and I think somewhere else inside. So this is a tag made out of Stampin' Up's Crushed Curry cardstock. I stamped the For You on this little label. That's out of the January Paper Pumpkin. These are from the sticker sheet from the Dollar Tree that I'm also trying to use, and I have used quite a few. I used all the bees on it, and I thought they went well because they're blue. So it goes with the background on the yellow, and then these came out of something I'll show you in a minute. I did use some pearl adhesive pearl stuff. That's when it says Love Always. It's when Michael's used to have them in the $1.50 bin, which sometimes I think was $1, but this was for spring, so maybe they'll get stuff like that again. I don't know. I just stapled on some of the tulle polka dot ribbon from Stampin' Up! And the Daffodil Delight ruched ribbon from Stampin' Up! And I stamped all over with these 3 little flowers there in the Paper Pumpkin kit too. And I used the scallop edge bag topper, scallop tag topper punch on a lot of the punches. So I'm not going to pull it out every time. I mean a lot of the tags. And down here I stamped Thinking of You, Sweet Friend. That is from the Honeybee Cling stamp set here. And I stamped that in Crushed Curry on a tag out of the Paper Pumpkin. Now on this, and this was a scrap of lace. I used most of it here, and I used the rest of it on the last one. Now this particular one, I had enough left to do a card. So I got out some Crushed Curry Whisper White, and this is a scrap of the paper. This is a piece of the paper and another scrap. And I don't know if you can see it, but there's like the honeycomb in there. So I used the dies that coordinate with the honeybee. Let me show them to you real quick. I know we're not supposed to take real long. Yeah, this honeycomb die, and then I cut this out, the actual hive outer part, in vellum, but it's colored vellum. It's a yellow colored vellum from Stampin' Up. It comes in a pack with yellow, pink, and green. And then here's the last bee from the sticker pack. When you punch out that honeycomb, the pieces pop out, but I put some back in randomly, and then I glued the vellum around the edges. Well, actually, I first heat embossed the hive with just clear embossing powder. That's what gives it that really shiny look, and you can sort of see the lines in it a little bit. There we go. I haven't done anything else on it. I did stamp "Wishing You Sunshine and Happiness," and that's from the Honeybee stamp set as well. So that is a card that's going to go in this loaded bag, along with other things I haven't figured out yet. So anyway, that one is done. Let me get these out of the way. Alright, so the next one, the theme was flowers, and the back of that paper was this hot pink zigzaggy thing. So I used the pink bag from Dollar Tree. This was some ruffled lace I had in my stash. These are from the butterfly packs that I had said I wanted to use up, and I don't know what I did with them, but anyway, they had white, red, and pink. This was a random sort of tulle rose that somebody gifted me, I think. I don't know where I got it. I'm sorry. This is Stampin' Up! Melon Mambo, and this I punched the small bloom punch from Celebration for 2020, and it's on a 1 5/8 scallop circle. I'm sorry, 1 3/8, 1 1/8. And then this bling is from Stampin' Up! Also. It is called Clear Faceted Gems. They come in clear and gold, and it's one of the larger ones. And this is just a little scrap of iridescent ribbon I had. And this stuff, I'm trying to use this up. This is off this Michael's roll of ribbons and trims. I'm trying to use it up because it's unruly. I should put it in a baggie or something. Okay, so let me show you the back first. This one has flowers on it. This is a sticker. It's actually 3 stickers, but they are together. And it just says Happy Little Moments, and it had a flower on it, so I thought it went with this paper. Then inside, the back of that is the zigzag. I made a pocket out of the paper, and I just put a couple stickers from the Dollar Tree sticker sheet on, and I made a tag with Melon Mambo and the sticker from that, and the tulle ribbon from Stampin' Up! Here's more of the Michael trim, and then here I had this piece left, so I just put some of these. This says sweet and notes, so I thought sweet notes, and I put these little arrows on. I just put one piece of cardstock. It gives you 4 little pages to take sweet notes. And then another piece of the Rick Rack Michael's ribbon, and then some more stickers from the collection. These are from the collection. These are from the collection. This one, and these are from Dollar Tree. And then the back just has that on, and then that's about it. Oh, I don't think, yeah, I didn't have enough left over to do a card for this one. I think only 2 got cards. I'll have to figure out what I'm going to do for the inside still. Okay, the next one was owls, and I actually found 2 felt owls in my fall stash that I used up, so I'm counting that as using something up. This actually is a wider, stumpier bag. It's the red Hallmark bag. And I went digging for laces and trims, and I found this in my Valentine's stuff. This is a cut apart. This is a cut apart. I just put this Michael's trim on that was the clearance. These 2 owl stickers are from this pack, which is Dollar Tree. I don't even remember when I got them, guys. It's been so long. This little thing goes here, this one goes here. We open up the back, and we have a bookmark, And then we have a double pocket here. This one has the second owl on it. And then this one is owl paper. And I just stapled that on. And this one I used a glue dot. This is washi tape that someone had gifted me. And then I believe, yep, this one has I have one extra piece of paper I might do something else with for that. That's why I kept it in there with the owls. But this doesn't match the owls, but the color scheme did. It's all about the journey, not the destination. And here's the red checkered that I used in there. And then inside is just red checkered with white. And that's bumped up on foam tape that I'm trying to use up also. Getting there. Getting there. So that's inside the bag already, but I don't know what else I'm going to put in there yet. And the last one is butterflies. So this is a white bag, which is those lunch bags, I think, from Walmart. This little flower trim in my stuff, and I don't know where I got it. I probably bought it in a bag of stuff from either a yard sale or somebody. And so this is that last bit of that one lace. This I already had stamped from Stampin' Up, and I forget the stamp set, I'm sorry. But it says for my friend, and it's in Pacific Point. I had used this on last week's live, one similar. These are from the butterfly pack I'm trying to use up, not all gone yet though. These are from the one that I did use up that had been gifted to me from Nick's Crafty Corner in 2018. These were, there were 4 left and I used all of them. This was the last scrap of the butterfly paper and a sticker off the sticker pack from the collection. These are stickers from the collection. These are from the Dollar Tree sticker pack. Here's the back. Okay, on the back I just put, there was a border sticker and I cut it and put it there, and on the bottom of this tag, and I used it all up. This has one of those little blue pockets and it has this that says, "This is our happy place." And I thought the color, you know, goes in well. Here's one of the butterflies that Nick's gifted me. This, this one has a butterfly off the sticker sheet from the collection, and this too. And the neat thing is when this goes down in, that butterfly there kind of stops it from flopping through. Bling from Dollar Tree, stickers from the collection, tulle from Stampin' Up, tulle ribbon, and there's no card in this one yet because that's all the paper I had for that one. So those are my 4 Stuff It bags, loaded bags, which will be loaded at some point for Happy Mail. I really wanted to use this because I had those bee stickers, so I started with that one. And then of course I love butterflies, and I picked the flowers, the butterflies, the owls, and the bees. I don't know why. So, so those are my bags for Stuff It. Please go check out all the other collab members, and if anybody wants to know how to make this, I will try and find the video I watched. It was Craft Purge though, and I'm sure if you just search on loaded flip bag or something like that, you'll find her video. But I didn't follow it exactly. She staples her bags, so I do things a little differently. So if you want to know how I do it, let me know, and maybe I can do one as a tutorial sometime. All right guys, thanks for watching. Hugs, love, and peace.